Saltzer Health is the state's largest independent multi-specialty physicians group and is now breaking new ground in innovative healthcare. So Tommy, give us a little background. Fill us in on you and what part of your background really influenced your involvement with Saltzer.
So I trained as an emergency room doctor and actually practiced medicine for 18 years in the ER. I've seen over 40,000 patients in an ER, and I've seen the way healthcare has changed over years, and a lot of changes and regulation that have come from our federal government and made it really tough to navigate for patients and families. And so you've seen healthcare change, but what hasn't changed is basically the need of people to get help with their problems and be treated and have an experience that's centered around them. And then I think on the payment side, I think people are tired of the way you pay your bills, the way you go about everything. So we saw a real opportunity to kind of disrupt outpatient medicine. We see Saltzer as the perfect entry into the market where we can really do things differently than have been done traditionally in healthcare.
Okay, but why purchase Saltzer Medical Group? You and your partner did that. Why?
Yeah. Well, we were looking for the perfect group to grow an outpatient multi-specialty clinic with. And if you look at the history and heritage of Saltzer, they've been around for 60 years. It was always about patient care. Founded in Nampa, Idaho by Dr. Saltzer. It's got a great tradition and a great history. So in the coming years, as you see us grow with urgent cares and surgery centers, Saltzer was the right group for us to partner with.
And you changed the name too. It was Saltzer Medical Group, but you changed it to Saltzer Health. Why the name change?
Yeah, so Saltzer Health, we wanted a rebrand. We wanted a restart. I think Saltzer has the right heritage and the bones for us to start things with, but we really want this to be about innovation and technology and change and access. So it gave us a chance to rebrand it a little bit, still use that same legacy and that great brand of Saltzer, but really going into the future, we want this to be about Saltzer Health, a new way to do healthcare in the Treasure Valley.
And Tommy, we are standing in front of a lot of dirt.
Yeah.
We're out here at the 10-mile location. Tell us what's happening here.
This is exciting. This will be a big facility. It'll be about 300,000 square feet, 2 buildings, and this is where we'll have our imaging center, a 24-hour urgent care, surgery centers, again, really focusing on outpatient delivery of care. We believe that we need those services to be able to provide lower costs to patients and a different option for entry into those needs. And so this 10-mile location will be where we center a lot of the services we provide in Ada County and Canyon County.
And tell us a little more too about what type of future do you see for Saltzer?
So we see a lot of growth with the urgent cares that we're going to be doing around the valley, with these outpatient imaging centers and surgery centers. It really should be about the patient, and sometimes in healthcare it just got away from us, where we stopped making it about the patient and we started making it about everything else that happens behind those doors. And we believe that you should be able to know what your cost is going to be before you go in. And we believe it should be easy to access care. With Saltzer Health, let's put some happy back into healthcare. Let's make the people that are giving the care happy about what they're doing and make patients go home and go, wow, that was a great experience.
And you mentioned too the stress that comes with the cost of healthcare. That's a really big issue for so many out there. How do you plan on lowering the cost of healthcare?
So we have a fundamental belief at Saltzer Health, and that is that if patients know what it's going to cost, complete transparency on cost, if we put that power in patients' hands and let them make choices and decisions based on cost and quality, that they'll drive a lot of the decisions that'll drive the market.
And also to urgent cares. I know that they play a big role as well. So let's talk about Saltzer urgent cares. How do you envision them being different than other urgent cares in the area?
We have designed our urgent cares around the patient experience. So you'll notice when you come into any of our urgent cares, the hospitality component is there. You'll be greeted at the door. And when you leave, you'll be able to pay your bill immediately. You'll see our facilities are designed to have a different look to them. We want them to be transparent and vibrant. We want you to go and go to a place of healing where you're going to go get care that you understand, that you know what it's going to cost, and you leave with an experience that you'll say, you know, I'm going back there. So
Tommy, help our viewers. Where can they go so they can learn more about Saltzer Health?
SaltzerHealth.com. There's a lot of things that are coming out every week, exciting new programs that we have. So SaltzerHealth.com or any of the social media channels. We'd love to have you follow us.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.